Good morning. Good Monday morning. Second day in Vegas. And I think we got into bed at about 2 o'clock. And I must still be on Chicago time. Because it's 7, it's 9 back home. And I'm up. We had breakfast last night at about 1 in the morning. Let me tell you, the days of a cheap $2.99, $3.99 breakfast are over. They're probably somewhere here, but not at the Cosmopolitan. I think it cost us $74, although we each had a drink and breakfast. Can't really see it. Ah, there goes somebody. I just missed it. Well, we're walking down in the Link Promenade. Hey everybody, it's our second night, which is Monday, and we are getting ready to go on a helicopter ride of the Strip. I don't know if you can see those lights right there, but that's a helicopter. Should be a lot of fun. That's the top of the tower next to ours. We're in the Chelsea Tower. I think this one across the way is called the Boulevard Tower. I see you. I'm not going to run towards you. You can't see him, but that's my husband. That's Jonathan. And I'm walking real slow, probably rocking, even though this thing has to be 7 feet wide. I'm guessing. Like I said before, I'm scared like hell.
You've been doing pretty good.
Who? Me?
Yeah, coming out here.
Yeah. Walking like Frankenstein. There's traffic on the highway. I mean, this view is just amazing. And then, I don't know if you can see it, but earlier today, I lost a ton of money. We were at the Orleans. I don't know if that's going to focus, but the marquee just turned green. Now it's bright. I used to love that place.
Yes? Okay.
Walking, I thought it was you. I'm like, why are you running? did. I started to run. I was like, wait a minute, that's not him.